Hello guys, good morning. This is Vaigiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the force on moving charge particles. So let me discuss here. This is any charge which placed with an angle theta from the magnetic field, which represents in direction of x, and it moves with velocity v. So its horizontal component is v cos theta and its vertical or normal component is v sin theta. Okay, this is perpendicular and this is horizontal. So this is the direction of magnetic field, and this is the horizontal component and this is vertical components. But we know that magnetic field, velocity and force each are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, तीनों ही आपस में परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं। तो यहाँ पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन में ये कंपोनेंट है v sin थीटा। सो v sin थीटा आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड द मोशन ऑफ दिस चार्ज पार्टिकल। ओके, सो दिस इज द वेलोसिटी of the charge particle which provide the motion of this charge particle. V and V perpendicular, so force will act perpendicular to both and in direction of y. Okay, so let a charge particle q which placed at an angle theta from the uniform magnetic field B, and it is moving with velocity v whose horizontal component is v cos theta and vertical is v sin theta. But we know that magnetic field, velocity and force are mutually perpendicular to each other. Due to this reason, the component of this vertical component also provide the motion of this charge particle. Okay, and the force will act perpendicular to both magnetic field and this, and which is attached in this direction. Okay, so this is force depend upon this directly proportional to the charge. First equation, directly proportional to the v sin theta. Second, and directly proportional to the magnetic field. So by equation first, second and third, F proportional Q V sin theta B. So F equals to K QVB sin theta, and the experimental value of K is 1. So F equals to QVB sin theta. Okay, this is the force on moving charge particle. Okay, and its maximum value and minimum value will be whenever theta is 90. When theta equals to 90, then F will max and it is equals to QVB sin 90 की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, and when theta is equals to 0, then force will minimum and QVB sin 0 its value will be 0. Okay, so अब देखते हैं ये कैसे चार्ज पार्टिकल मोशन करेगा। तो देखिए ये इस तरीके से है, और ये एक्स एक्सिस, वाई एक्सिस एंड जेड एक्सिस ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन है, ये फोर्स की डायरेक्शन है, और ये परपेंडिकुलर वेलोसिटी v sin थीटा की डायरेक्शन है, और यही वेलोसिटी इसको मोशन प्रोवाइड कर रही है। तो इसका ट्रैक जो होता है सर्कुलर होता है इन द यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ओके, ये होगा दिस पाथ इज सर्कुलर. Okay, and in this direction also be circular, but it is in this form that is known as helical path. This is the helical path. Okay, so in this way, whenever any charged particle like electron is moving in the uniform magnetic field, then its path will be circular, and we will discuss about it in further lecture. So this is the circular track, because this velocity also provide the motion of the electron or charged particle, and this is the helical path. Okay, now this is the point. Then what is the pitch? Okay, so pitch is this length. This is pitch, P. The length travel in one complete this helical path, okay, in direction of magnetic field. It means magnetic field की डायरेक्शन में चार्ज पार्टिकल के थ्रू एक पूरा कंप्लीट राउंड लेने में जो लेंथ ट्रेवल करता है, दैट इज द pitch. Okay, so it is the length traveled by charge particle in direction of magnetic field. Okay, is it clear? In direction of magnetic field in one complete round. एक कंप्लीट राउंड में तो देखते हैं कि ये क्या हो जाएगा. इस डायरेक्शन में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में वेलोसिटी है पैरेलल v पैरेलल, दैट इज नोन एज v cos थीटा, एंड पिच, this is the length like s x pitch, and it traveled in one complete round like time is t, time required is t. So p is equals to speed equals to distance upon time. So pitch or x is equals to v parallel into t. So it is equals to v cos theta into t. Okay, so this is pitch. Okay, so it is the length which is traveled by the charged particle in direction of magnetic field in one complete helical round or round. Okay.